What's up, YouTube? I told you I was back, so here we go. So here is my full loadout, because apparently you guys wanted to see a video of me with my loadout, so here it is. I have added one or two more things since my last video, in addition to knee pads and a molly butt pad or something on my hydration bag. So, and also a pair of gloves, white gloves where I cut off the fingers, so it'd be easier to pull the trigger of any of the guns. So, basically, other than the minor changes I've mentioned, nothing else has changed. At least that I know of. Yeah. I'll mainly be using this as GM saw. And that is in the link of in the description of my other video of my loadout. So yeah. I'll probably put it in this one too, so you guys have a constant update on what's happening at GM side. So, shall I do? Oh, probably not good. So, this is my CYMA M-14. It shoots pretty good. Then again, I need to fix the hop-up spacer or nub, because it shoots only about 50 yards. So yeah, I got a 4-power scope on here, but like I said, it's not working too well. It doesn't line up with the shot of my gun, because it drops off at about 50 or so. 75 feet. So yeah, once I get enough, it should be a lot more accurate. So yeah, and I have my Shimon out of frame. So that's about it, guys. So as always, subscribe, like, whatever, comment, whatever, and